Repeat after me na lang. Anong tawag mo kay mami? Gabi. Ma, okay. Ma, tanggapin mo ang singsing na ito, tanda ng aking hindi kumupas at magpapatuloy na pag-ibig sa iyo. Hindi kayo naman. Ganon din. Anong tawag kay daddy, mami? Daddy. Tanggapin mo na ito, tanda ng aking hindi kumupas at pagpapatuloy na pag-ibig sa iyo. Daddy, you may now eat the bride.
Kumusta ka na po diyan? Miss ka na namin. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday pa, Lala. We love you.
Sana lagi kang healthy. Sana huwag kang magkakasakit. At sana ay umaba pa buhay mo.
At sana po lagi lang po malakas yung boses niyo. Miss you, Lala.
Mag-enjoy ka dyan.
Miss you.
Miss ka na namin. Enjoy ka dyan. Enjoy your birthday. We love you.
Enjoy your gala. Love you pa, bye-bye.
I love you, Tia Esther.
Happy birthday.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness and good health, and I'll see you soon. I love you. I miss you.
Tita Esther, just wanted to greet you a blessed happy birthday. I wish that God would continue to grant you a good life, full of energy, full of fun with your loved ones, and may you always be healthy and joyous in everything that you do, everywhere you are, always surrounded with your loved ones. So enjoy your special day, Tita Esther. Miss na kita. Happy birthday. Enjoy London, enjoy UK. Flowers for you. Bye.
Hi Esther, si Kuya Fred ito. I want to wish you a very happy birthday in October. I have been enjoying your postings on Facebook with Maricar, Colin, and your lovely grandchildren. It is so nice of Colin and Maricar to have you with them in the UK. I bet they enjoy the love that you always share with them. You're so blessed, Esther, and may you have more blessings to come. Take care.
Hi Esther, happy birthday. Sana ma-record ito. Hindi ako marunong mag-video recording eh. So, however, I will try this one and see if you can hear me. Happy birthday to you, syempre. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Esther. Happy birthday to you. And syempre, and many more.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Ma. We wish you good health and also more patience.
Nay, happy birthday! Manghinaot ko katagaan pagtaas nga kinabuhi. Happy birthday!
Ma, sana pag-uwi mo, mabait ka na, Ma.
Hi, happy birthday. More birthday to come and more candle to blow.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday from Anjo, Jordan, and Mariposa.
Hi, happy
In
birthday.
Toronto. Happy birthday. Love you.
Love you.
Hi, Mama. Although we're not there to celebrate your birthday with you, we're sending our love and thoughts for an amazing birthday. We love you and hope to see you soon in Canada or in the Philippines.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Love you.
Love you.
Ay.
Baba naman yan, Pastor.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.